In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to tell if someone blocked you on Discord. Whether you're a long-time Discord user or just getting started, you might find yourself wondering if someone has blocked you. Discord doesn't notify users when they've been blocked, but there are a few telltale signs you can watch for if you're suspicious. Today, I'll walk you through some simple steps and helpful indicators to figure out if you've been blocked by someone in your Discord community. First, let's talk about sending direct messages. The most straightforward clue comes when you try to send a direct message to the person you suspect may have blocked you. If you've been blocked, Discord will prevent you from sending your message. Instead, you'll see a message saying, "You cannot send messages to this user." While it's possible other privacy settings or mutual server permissions could cause this, a sudden inability to message someone who you previously chatted with is often your first big hint. Another method is by checking their profile through your friends list or in a shared server. If you can still see their profile, but the option to send a friend request is missing, or you notice that the Add Friend button is grayed out, that could be another indication. Keep in mind though, this person could have privacy settings that restrict friend requests, so take this as a hint, not definitive proof. You can also try reacting to one of their messages in a shared server. If someone has blocked you, you'll still be able to see their messages in mutual servers, but your reactions with emoji won't appear for them, and you might notice that your emoji disappears immediately after you add it. This is an unusual behavior, specific to being blocked, as normally the emoji would show up under their message when you react. This is a subtle but telling clue. If your reaction vanishes, odds are you've been blocked. Another sign is that you won't receive any status updates from them. For example, their status might appear as offline to you all the time, even though other users see them online. Again, this isn't exclusive to being blocked. They may have set their status to invisible, but if it happens at the same time as the other clues, it's worth noting. Lastly, you won't receive notifications when they post or tag you in servers you both share. Basically, all direct interactions with you are cut off. Remember though that Discord prioritizes privacy, so while these hints are helpful, none of them are 100% foolproof on their own. To sum up, while it's never a great feeling to suspect you've been blocked, these steps can help you find out what's going on. If you notice several of these signs together, it's likely you have been blocked by the other user. If you're ever unsure, it's always good to respect other people's boundaries and reach out through alternative methods only if it's appropriate. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you navigate your Discord experience with a little more confidence.